on. How are you? Huh? How are you, sweetness? Are you good? Are you? Oh, sweetheart. Listen to that purr. Oh, it's tough being you, isn't it? Tough being you too, Jessica. Huh? Yeah. Love you.